Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. In this video we are going to be looking at what if analysis. When you go to your data tab, we are going to see a what if group there under your focus group. So you're going to say what if tab. What if has three tools. We have the scenario manager, the goal seek, and data table. So for the purpose of this course, we are going to be staying at data table. So here I have created a sensitivity analysis. This is an assumption for a bookstore that sells 1,000 books at the price of 150. The cost per book is $50, and the rent, payroll fees cost is about $60. So when you minus the revenue minus the cost, both fixed and variable cost, you are going to have $40,000 as profit. And now you're thinking, what would be the profit if I choose to sell this product at different prices? So this is what data table does. It allows you to try out different inputs and see how these inputs affect your output. So basically I have in this column, in this row, basically I have listed 500 books that the book sold 750, 1000, 1250 and 1005. Now in marketing, when you sell a product higher, there is tendency that you have lower sales. So let's say at 500 books, we are selling each copy at 200, while at 100 books, at 100 per book, we are selling about 1,500. So as the price increases, the quantity sold decreases. So here I have set up this table. Now at this junction, at the intersection here, you would like to link your output, which is your final output, at this place. So these are output, link it here, and then you select this table. Select the whole of the table, go to your what if analysis under your data tab and click the drop down, go to select data table. So this box appears and you are required to input row cells and input column cells. Now because this is a two variable data table, sometimes you just have to input, make use of the row, either the row or the column. But for this case, we have both row and column on this table. So we'll just choose row input cells. Row input is what we have in our row. We have the book sold. The book sold is on this row, so it's row input. So we'll just click on that as the reference cell, and in our column input we have we have the prices per book, price per book. So we just click on price per book. Okay, so yeah, our data table has been populated. We have at 200 per book, $200 per book, we'll sell 500 copies and our revenue will be 15,000, which is low. Well, at $150 per book, we are having $40,000 as our profit. So the next example. Yeah, so this is a one variable data table. I'm just going to delete this. Let me delete this so that you understand what I did. Yeah, the chart is linked to the table. Now this is one variable. Unlike the other one, we have both rows and column, but in this one we have just column. Now this is a loan table. Let's say you collected a loan from a bank at a loan of 250,000, and you're required to pay in 2 years, and we have 12 months per year. The interest rate is 12%. Now you want to find out what will be the amount you will pay at different interest rates, at different interest rate, what will be the amount you will pay on a monthly basis, So I could decide to change this manually, where I will say at 13%. Of course, Excel will give me the result, but will I keep doing this for every interest rate I want to check out? So in this table, you can see that we'll try it out different interest rates from 12% to 18%. So what you would do at this point is let me take this back. So you come here, of course, you link the output here, you link it to this point, and you select the whole of this table minus this one that's not needed. So you go to your what if analysis and choose data table. So now, because we only have column, so we're going to make use of column input cell. And what are we going to input? Then we're going to input different interest rates. So let's put this. So yeah, it takes these interest rates out and tells us the amount we are going to pay at the end of the month. So basically, this is it on how to use data table for analysis. Thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy this video, please like, comment, share. See you in my next video. Bye for now.